Can you hear me though? My seems like
Yes, we can hear you.
Yes, we can hear you. Okay. Yes, purpose. One of the beautiful things is because God created us for a reason, right? The creation of God is
Think so, call them again. Okay, before he comes back, because all the time I hear this all the time that you be helping people, like it will feel like, oh, you might even have a foundation and you think that is what you're supposed, what your purpose are in life. But as far you still have that am I doing, you still feel empty, because when you're really doing your, okay,
go ahead, please. Go ahead.
sorry.
Sorry? Go
No,
ahead,
no,
please.
continue. Like continue from where
No,
you
no,
stopped.
continue. Like continue from where you stopped. Okay, so I said the sense of fulfillment or the sense of purpose that you feel is an internal thing that God had planted inside of us. Because I said that the reason for our existence is because of purpose. Jeremiah 1 verse 5 said, before you were formed, I knew you. I excuse me, before I was formed, I knew you, I ordained you, and I made you a prophet to the nations. So you see that there's something that was embedded inside the spirit of man as a witness to purpose. There's something that was embedded in the spirit of man, that is supposed to give you that sense of belonging, that sense of fulfillment. It's because it was planted inside of man. So no matter how far you, and that's why man can never have an excuse, because there's a inner witness inside of us, right? There can never be an excuse because God has planted that inner feeling, inner message, inner calling that is intrinsic inside of us. So there can never be an excuse that, oh, I don't have a purpose, oh, I don't have a calling, I don't have an assignment, I've never heard about these things. There's never really an excuse because purpose is embedded inside of us. And the more we draw closer to purpose, the more the sense of feeling. That's why you find out that there are very rich people that are outside purpose and they feel, there's no, they feel tight, they feel lost. And that's because they may have the wealth and the resources, but they are outside the scope of God. So it's an intentional thing, it's not a village people thing. If you're in a job, you're in a marketplace, you're doing so well, you're doing charitable things, good does not equal God. And that's something you need to know. So doing good things does not equal that it is the things that God has called. You will always feel lost. So it's not a demonic thing. It's actually destiny showing you that there's more that is on the inside. Pay attention to it. And as you pay attention to it, the sense of belonging, the sense of feel, the sense of purpose, you start feeling it. You start feeling it and it will come.
Wow, thank you very
Wow, thank you
much.
very much.
Literally
You
can still hear the
literally can
echo,
still
but
hear the
good thing we
echo,
are
but good
rounding.
thing we are rounding.
I hope one
I
day we're
hope
going to
one
do this
day we're going
again
to do this
where
again
you are
where
not
you
in
are
church, maybe on a
not in
Saturday or
church, maybe on a
something.
Saturday or something.
No.
Yes.
But I want to
Um,
say thank you
but I
for
want to say
taking this
thank you
time
for taking this
for
time
for
thank you so
coming
much.
on,
For
and I will
coming on,
speak to you
and I will
after
speak
this.
to you
Thank you
after
so
this.
much,
Thank you
Apostle
so
Olajide.
much,
And
Apostle
guys,
Olajide.
you
And
can
guys,
you send me the link
you
of your
send me
book,
the
right?
link of your book, right? I will. So I mean, you can just search for Olajide Ajibowo on Seller. Olajide
Just
Ajibowo
send
on
it to
Seller.
me
Just send it to
on
me
Seller, and
on
so that I can
Seller, and
post
so
it,
that
because
I
I want
can
to post
post
it
it
on
because I
my
want to post it on my
Instagram and Facebook so
Thank you for
people
your
can get it.
consistency. You've been such an amazing person from one subject matter to another subject matter. It's the global audience from here on. Global audience. I want you to just keep doing what you're doing. You may not realize it, but you're making massive impact in the lives of people. It's one thing for you. Bible says that let your light so shine